Hello and welcome to week 9. Please make sure that you have thoroughly read and understood the chapters on reliability, validity, and fairness. These can sometimes be difficult. So we did do a discussion over reliability and an activity last week over over fairness, but make sure you also understand validity. So I will probably be releasing a quiz to you just as an extra credit assignment. So if you want to take that to kind of help you have some practice with questions, it won't count against you if you don't do well, but it will count towards your grade for the questions that you do receive. So you may be looking for that and just have that as some extra practice because that can be difficult concept. So I will give you some feedback on your fairness assignment that you turned in on Sunday or last week. So be looking for that and let me know if you have questions because also it can be something that's difficult. So this week in week 9, we're going to be moving back to where we left off, chapter 11. And this chapter talks about different assessments and what teachers can do to make sure that their assessments are written well, both reliably and valid as well as fair. So be sure that you watch the videos that I've recorded, and here's the notes for you. And then this week what you're going to be doing is completing a quiz over improving the data. So these are the instructions here that kind of explain what you'll need to do. And so this is an assessment. I encourage you to go and read in the chapter on pages 262 to 268. And so what you're going to be doing is I will be giving you a data set that looks similar to the one in the textbook. And I want you to explain for each item what may or may not need to be improved and why. So be sure you read these pages, and it describes for you discrimination index and all of the different components. So don't just say, I think that this needs to be changed, but give me a reason why based on the data. So you'll have an hour to complete all 5 items, and all you need to do is look at the data set and work on each item explaining whether it should be changed or not changed or just thrown out completely. So just be sure that if you have questions about these pages or you don't understand all the different components like the p-value, the discrimination index, etc., that you ask questions before you begin this quiz. And the reason that it's set up this way is so that you are working on it independently during that time. So just let me know ahead of time if you have questions about this content, and then you can start the quiz and begin working on that. Thank you.